In Lua, the string sub function is used to extract a substring from a given string. The syntax for string sub is string sub, string, start, end, where string is the original string, start is the starting index of the substring, and end is the ending index of the substring. If end is not provided, the substring will extend to the end of the original string. In our example, message sub I is equivalent to string.sub message I. It extracts a single character from the message string at the position specified by I. In Lua, the colon operator is a syntactic sugar for method calls. When you see object:"method," args, it's equivalent to object.method, object,"args." This syntactic sugar simplifies the code and makes it more readable, especially when working with object-oriented code. In the context of string manipulation, using the colon syntax with string methods is common. In this example, the colon syntax simplifies the method call by automatically passing string str as the first argument to the sub-method. In conclusion, we've explored the convenience of using the colon operator with string methods in Lua. This syntax streamlines method calls by automatically passing the string itself as the first argument. By leveraging this approach, our code becomes more concise and readable.